Hello everyone and welcome to JC 3D Printing, where you're gonna learn everything about additive manufacturing and 3D printing. Today, we're gonna learn about what is additive manufacturing. So let's go to the fundamentals, to the basics. So what is manufacturing? Manufacturing is the process of transforming raw materials into finished goods through any use of tools, machines, and labor. Types of manufacturing processes are subtractive manufacturing and additive manufacturing. So what is subtractive manufacturing? Subtractive manufacturing involves the cutting, hollowing, or taking any parts from a raw material or a block. The block can be out of metal, plastic, wood, ceramic, or any other material in general. Some examples of these are milling, water jetting, lathe, and anything that involves removing material from something. So what is additive manufacturing? Additive manufacturing is the process of creating an object by building it one layer at a time. So basically, that's where the name comes from. Additive manufacturing, you add a layer, you add material to create a final project. Additive manufacturing can be made out of wood, plastic, ceramic, metal, and even bio products, for example, tissue or tissue engineering. What are the benefits of additive manufacturing? You have affordable cost of machine. The machines are really affordable and really easy to use. Then you have reduction of material waste. So instead of removing material, you're adding exactly what you need. You have design of freedom. So basically you can build whatever you want. You can create really complex geometry, something that you cannot do necessarily with subtractive manufacturing. It's really advantageous for prototyping since you can go from idea, design, and manufacturing pretty fast. You can see here that we have a 3D printer that we can just go and then create something. And then you can have a faster product to market. So basically, if you have an idea, you can design it and then you can just get first prototypes, test it, and being able to go faster from the idea to the final product. So now you know what is additive manufacturing and how it compares to subtractive manufacturing and other manufacturing. I hope that you liked the video and hopefully now you know what is additive manufacturing. Subscribe to get the latest video and the latest news, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.